Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. Just wanted to say hi again and talk to you. We came out to the greenhouse. Of course, we're still working. It's a work in progress. We're at the end of June. You know, everybody's getting antsy about tomatoes. We're behind this year, but back when I was a kid, my uncles and my grandparents, their goal was to have tomatoes by July 4th. Well, we're not going to have tomatoes by July 4th unless we go to the local grocery store, unfortunately. I did want to show you tomato hornworm damage. Now that is the damage that they do just from the tomatoes, the hornworms chewing on the fruit itself. And they can do a bunch of damage. This is just a couple of them. But if you come down, you can see some of this damage, how heavy it is. And this one here is not as bad as this one. This one, they have just worn out. I'm not saying to use insecticides. I'm not saying not to use insecticides. I can tell you we don't use it. We pick them off here. We don't use insecticides, but I'll tell you, I might use a little bit of insecticide at the house. So it's just a personal preference, but I know the folks here would rather me not use much. And really mine's pretty basic normally. I don't use anything strong. But anyway, just wanted to show this to you. Just thought it was interesting how much damage they can do. And if you ever see this, you'll know what to look for. Thank you again for your business. We appreciate it. We'll see you later. You know, I just did some discussion about the tomato hornworm and the damage, and we got some pictures. Tim's putting some stuff together for us so you can see it. But I told you we weren't going to have a tomato by July 4th. Golly gee, holy cow, we've got a tomato there. And we're probably going to have to cheat a little bit to make it turn red enough, but we'll have a tomato by July 4th this year.